pretties, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of the video, we are going to be doing a quick wig review, my first thoughts. So let's hop right on to it. The wig that I'm wearing on my head is a 360 lace unit, and it's from a company called Yoli Opulence. This is the packaging that the unit came in, just regular pink packaging like this, super cute, and it did come in a bag like so. The texture that I have is the Brazilian body wave texture. The unit is 180% density. It is 10A grade virgin hair. So let's go into some of my thoughts about the unit. So this is my first time really dabbling in lace, y'all. So, well, not really. I've done the frontal thing before, but I don't think I ever had a lace wig. It was too much complicated work. It was just too much to do with the lace units. I decided to do the bald cap method this time, and I think it was pretty successful how I have it laying. This is what I came up with. I know it's not like the best of the best, y'all, but again, this is my first unit. One thing I had to learn though was the difference between a 360 unit and a full lace unit, because I noticed that it's only laced right here. A very small section of my head has the lace, and the rest of it is just the track hair. It made it kind of difficult to get it up like this, but I was able to put it up and then curl it so you wouldn't be able to see the tracks. A full lace wig, you're going to have that lace all around, so it's much easier for partying and things like that. Another thing I thought about the unit was, even though it's 180% density, I thought that it's kind of lacking volume. Normally when I wear wigs, I like wigs that are comparable to about 3 to 4 bundles of hair. Now the wig is only 18 inches, so I understand that the less hair on the weft, the more volume it's supposed to have. However, I don't think that it's anything that's like a whole lot of volume. No, it's not thinning or nothing like that. Like, you can see I have some hair action going on, but I would just like it just a tad bit bigger for my preference. That's just my personal preference. As far as the hair quality goes, because I think that's what we mostly all of us care about the most, the hair quality is amazing, y'all. The curls right now are holding with absolutely nothing in them. I did put flexi rods in them just because I was doing my makeup and I needed my hair out of the way, but that was it. I didn't put any holding spray. I didn't put any serum, a little bit of heat protectant when I took the flat iron through it, and that is it. And this is what the curls are looking like. The hair seems very healthy. The hair and the cuticles all seem intact. And I'm very, very, very happy about that, because y'all know everybody sell hair, but everybody don't sell hair. Don't let that go over your head, okay? As far as cap construction, the cap is constructed very well. It did have 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the middle. I elected to cut the comb out in the middle because honestly, it's just very unnecessary to even have a comb sitting in the middle of your head like that. You could just go ahead and remove that. The wig, of course, is big head friendly because I'm sitting here with it on my head. Y'all know that my head is so freaking humongous. So that's always something I'm a little leery about, is it being big head friendly, but it's all the way down on the nape. It feels very secure. Like I said, I did use the bald cap method, and I'm having it secured down just now with Gotta Be glue. I am going to be doing a lot more lace wig reviews. So if y'all have any suggestions of what is the best glue to use for, like, y'all know I have a very active lifestyle, I like to work out. I don't know if Isha's best or Bold Hold, or I hear so many things, but tell me, what have you used personally, girl? Don't tell me what such and such used, what this used. No, tell me what you used and I'm gonna get it. All right, I need y'all to vouch for it, okay? Just like I'm sitting up here and I'm vouching for y'all and I'm telling y'all what's good and what's not good, give me the same tea, girl. I need it back. This is give and take right here, okay? Overall, despite the small cons of the unit not being full enough for my personal preference, I really do love, love, love the unit. I think it's very cute. It's my first time wearing my hair in this style, so I'm trying to get adjusted to that, but I cannot wait to wear it in more styles. I will be posting more about this unit on my Snapchat and Instagram, so if you want to see updates, it's very important. A lot of you ask me for updates on units. Please follow my social media, because I wear my wigs all the time. I don't just wear my wigs one time and that's it. I wear my wigs. I'm still a reviewer who wears her wigs. No tea, no shade. But I wear my wigs, and you will see how long the wigs last and how much of an investment, how much of your investment is actually worth it for these units. So thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to press the thumbs up button before you leave my channel. I'll see y'all next time. Stay pretty. Mwah.